You going up?
Welcome back, YouTube. See, it's so white out. I'm actually surprised the snow stayed as long as it is. But snow should be off of the corn plants. So we're gonna have to try and shell some corn out. We'll let you know how this goes. Got the old girl fired up. We're gonna have to drop the chisel and hook up the cart. Sure is a beautiful day out. Got the cart hooked up. Heading to the field. Roads are nice and slippery. Fueling. Well, we're on the way to the field with the combine. About the worst vehicle you could have on glare ice roads. Oh well, just take her easy, everything should be fine. Well guys, we're shelling away. Got this field opened up and got 2 loads out so far. Grain cart's full. I'm shelling another hopper load on the combine here and we're gonna call it an evening. It's supposed to get down to 8-9 degrees. So hopefully, which everything should, but hopefully everything starts up in the morning and we can knock the rest of this field out and move on to the next. So it is kind of pretty combining in the snow, but everything's slower. For all you guys that don't farm up in the northern country, I mean, everything takes at least 25 to 30% longer in the winter when it's cold. But yeah, not much to say. Corn's doing good, looks good, standing good. That's one worry about combining once snow comes is down corn. But as you can see, the tops are all broken off, which is fairly normal, but we don't have anything on the ground as far as cobs or anything, so which is great. I do not want to fight down corn in perfect conditions, let alone in the snow, because what happens is the snow actually doesn't come off the down corn stalks, so it just creates a snowy mess. Corn moisture, I don't have my moisture tester on me. We're shelling it is what it is, but I think it's plenty high, probably 20, 19, 20. So, but it's time to come off, so it is what it is. It's Highway 23 right there. Yeah, not much else to say. Beautiful evening. Just gonna get turned around here and hopefully I can count right. Strike through the field again and away we go. You can see kind of the corn in between the rows there. What that is actually is volunteer corn. This is corn on corn. You can see it right there. Them little stalks that don't turn into anything. Right there in that row too. That It's volunteer corn from last year, which there isn't a ton of it, but you can see it. We're shelling right about 3.7, 3.8. So moving right along. I know guys go faster, and I could go faster too, but I play it safe. I don't feel like breaking anything and plugging the combine. So, but as you can see, there's more volunteer corn. There is no snow on the plants right here. The only issue I had was going along the tree lines. There was still quite a bit of snow on them, but once you get out in the field and get the fields opened up, they're pretty clean. Beautiful sample. Again, dirty windows. So I gotta get this YouTube stuff down and keep clean windows. But me and Courtney here are gonna finish off this hopper and call it a night. We'll probably catch up with you tomorrow. Back at it for another day. Truck's here. Combine's full, cart's full. We are gonna get all unloaded, truck sent out of here, and start plugging away. Should be able to finish this farm today if we don't have any issues. Stay tuned. It's another farm in the books. Cart's got a little bit more in it, so we'll have to have the truck come and empty the cart in the morning and on to the next farm. So we're losing snow. It's, I don't know, 34, 35 degrees out, so it's getting slushy. But knocking them out. With this farm done, I believe 75 acres left, I think. 70, should be just shy of 80. So with that, I believe I got enough footage for this video. It'll be short, but keep it short and sweet for this week. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow along for more. We've been picking up quite a few subs lately, and I appreciate each and every one of you. For you that aren't subscribed, it's free. Hit it and stick around for a while. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk at you later.